Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to properly roll your egg roll like a pro. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not. It gives me joy whenever I see your subscription. The first thing you want to do is dust your hand with some flour, then ensure your dough is stretchy. Using one hand to carry the dough, another hand to press the dough, you just ensure it is flattened on your palm. Then you are just going to add in your hard-boiled egg and wrap the dough around the egg the way I'm doing it in this video. Ensure to remove the excess dough. If there is any hole around the dough, of course you don't want that. Use your finger to just press that in and use your other hand to just rub the dough. Feel free to dust your hand with flour if your hand becomes sticky in the process. And this is what we have, your perfectly rolled egg roll. Throw that into your hot oil and fry. You're going to deep fry as usual. I will be posting a full video of like a full tutorial of how to make egg roll this week, so please subscribe if you have not to watch that. And I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I love to see your comments and your suggestion. Alright guys, bye, see you next time.